In most major manufacturers' installation guides, you will find a caution like this, where it states that you are only allowed to bury line sets up to 36 inches. This is usually enough to get a line set under like a sidewalk for a proper installation. This is what a typical buried line set would look like. Both liquid line and vapor line run together in a PVC conduit buried underneath the ground. All of the following information is taken out of a major manufacturer's technical bulletin and is not the official position of the Arevco service group. These are manufacturer's guidelines for buried line sets. They are only approved for 3 feet, not to exceed 100 feet in total length. There are accessories that are needed for buried line sets. You need to add a crankcase heater to the compressor, a liquid line solenoid at the outdoor unit, a start capacitor and start relay, an accumulator, and a liquid line dryer. Refrigerant lines must be buried in a gravel-filled trench. This trench must be below the regional freeze line. Refrigerant lines must be in a sealed, moisture-tight raceway such as a 4-inch PVC plastic pipe. Buried portions of the line set should be sloped slightly toward the indoor unit. Pipe joints must be sealed. Avoid making refrigerant line joints inside the plastic pipe to minimize the possibility of refrigerant leaks inside the pipe. Both ends of the PVC pipe must be sealed to keep moisture and air from entering the pipe. Both liquid and suction lines can be run together in the same pipe if proper spacing is provided. Proper spacing will allow for some dead air space around the refrigerant lines and will act as an insulator against heat transfer to or from the earthen materials. Suction line should be insulated as normal, and the liquid line does not need to be insulated. So we are going to end this video with a disclaimer. There are no major manufacturers in the U.S. today who will approve a buried line set over 3 feet. As the manufacturer's representative, Arevco can only state that the only approved length for buried line sets is 3 feet. We have presented the data in this tech tip from a major manufacturer's technical bulletin, as we recognize that in the real world, buried line sets are necessary. Arevco does not accept any responsibility or liability for the outcome of any line set buried over 3 feet. If you make the decision to bury a line set more than 3 feet, you, the installing contractor, accept all responsibility and liability for that job.
Go to arevco.com for more videos, like, subscribe, and check back every week for new videos.